In this video, I will be showing you how to create an award certificate in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the templates page and type in award certificate to see what's available. As the results load, I can scroll through a wide variety of professional designs. I'm looking for something elegant, and this red and gold template for a Best Actress award looks perfect. Once I select it, Canva offers some printing options, but I'll go ahead and click Customize this template to start editing. Now that the design is open in the editor, I can easily change any of the details. I'll start by clicking on the recipient's name and updating it to Anne Hathaway. I can also click on the different text fields at the bottom, like the names and titles of the presenters, to see how to customize those as well. To add a bit more flair, I'll open the Elements tab on the left and search for a line. Now, I'll just take a few moments to refine the layout. I'm going to adjust the spacing of the text and move elements like the film festival name and the description until everything feels balanced and centered. I'll remove the gold seal for a cleaner look. And there we have it, a professional award certificate created in just a few minutes. Thanks for following along.